What I love the idea is...
Taylor!
Oops, sorry Lewis.
Yeah, you're right. You better be careful next time. You nearly got me in the head. You and I have got to have a talk about nerfing your brains out. Could you come down for a minute, please?
Yeah, sure.
I'm actually quite annoyed right now, Taylor. You nearly nerfed my brains out. I mean, what is wrong with you? So the point I'm trying to make, Taylor, is that these nerf guns can be very dangerous. Like, that's not even loaded, and this, however, can be loaded. And what the point I'm trying to make to you is that these can be dangerous, especially in the run. Taylor? Taylor, wake up! Respond! Boop! Well, that was easier than I first thought.
Hi.
You're not gonna get away from me this time, Taylor. This time I'm gonna take you for shot.
I'm gonna kill everyone you love.
You think you can kill me, Taylor? You think you can kill me? Oh, crap.
Say hello to my little friend.
Press start.
Come here, you little brat.